Good evening, everyone. It is March 28th, 2017. We're doing a 2-box personal break for Joe P in the YouTube stream. We purchased 2 personal boxes, the last 2 personal boxes of ice hockey that we have available. No more ice after this. So, Joe P, good luck, man. I like Jake Muzzin. I think Jake Muzzin's a pretty solid defenseman. Joe P. He's like, got himself a Connor. McDavid. I'm not a good singer, so I don't think you'd want me to sing you that. Unless the song is playing in the background, then I think I could sound like a good singer, but not really. Alright, Joe P. Slater Cuckoo. 1096 out of 1999. How do you hear me singing to the radio? You mean when I'm playing music? Of course I sing, but not when I'm trying to like impress people, for sure. Ice Premier's level 2. Jake Vertanen, 345 of 799.
How did we do this round?
Good. We got 1 out of 10 Rogers.
Last night? Yeah. Nice. The one for Jason?
Yeah. Nice.
I hit a Wentz out of 5 too. That thing was awesome.
There was a Wentz out of 5 too. Nice.
Oh wow, this is another redemption, guys. So I'm gonna use this blank to cover up the redemption right now. And let's put that redemption down there. Here's another redemption. Let's check it out. 2015-16 NHL Glacial Graphs. Card number to 75. Robbie Fabry. St. Louis Blues. It's a black out of 75. Eric Carlson Exquisite Collection. 128 of 149. Yeah, well, that's what I thought too, right? Because it said black, but then it says 275, which is still pretty nice. Still a pretty nice card. Alright, Joe P. Let me just rip open all these other packs. And then we'll get to the second box. Oh, Bowman. Alrighty. Add to your Robbie Fabry collection. Fresh threads.
There was one non-refractor, just a normal base card, Jeremy.
Blank. Matthias Janmark. Global Impact.
Another one. Come on, Joe.
Radrick Faska. That's a numbered card right there. Actually, I missed the numbered card right here. Sorry. Malcolm Subban. 1006 out of 1299.
Different. Ben's image right there. Card 60 and then 1.
11 of 83 of 1999. Alright, here's actually Peter Straka. Sorry about that, Joe P. 1267 of 1999. We're like, all right, Bowman. I'm gonna. Bowman's like, okay, guys, I'm going to Joe's room for now. Alrighty, Joe P. That's 1 box down. Let's get Cup Hockey going, guys. Why not? Let's grab spots. Man, I would get spots in that break, but I can't. Cup Hockey Pick Your Team is down to 9. No Hannafin Exquisite Collection. 165 of 399. That's a rookie. Exquisite. Chandler Stevenson. 402 of 499. Ice Premier's autographs. You know what? I am mind blown too, Nick K. I just thought about that right now, and I was like, wow, Nick K's actually, Bowman's right. I've never seen Bowman in the chat when Batman's out fighting crime. 1563 of 1999, Nick Shore. Where's Rachel? You actually kind of sound like Two-Face in the movie when he's like, "Where's Rachel?" Robbie Fabry, Global Impact, and then we got Henrik Samuelsson, rookie jumbo relics, a rookie relic jumbos, 92 of 299. Where is she? I don't know. Where is she?
Yeah, it looks like it's mainly the backboard. And I think it was weird. You only did.
Is that 2 exquisite cards in one box? Are you serious? I think that's another exquisite card, guys. What? This box is... I've never seen 2 exquisite cards in one box. Alright, here's the last 4 packs. Tyler Randall, 1733 of 1999.
So I think that's why people are buying out the basketball today. Tribute baseball tomorrow. We got pre-orders on the website.
Oh, nice. Okay.
You want pre-order stuff?
Charles Houdon, 879 of 1999.
NT football, figure team 10 is close, but the Cowboys are still left. But there's 11 teams left on that. Rand team's a little bit further away at 20.
Right.
I'd like to do that because that might be a little bit easier, but it's a little bit further away.
Sure.
Ryan Hartman, 1361 of 1999, and you got a Bobby Orr right there.
I'm sure we'll get the NT done tomorrow. Maybe tonight. But I saw like 2.5 hours ago, so we'll see.
Alrighty, let's check and see what this is, guys.
And then the tribute baseball tomorrow is a big thing.
Alright, I'll check that out.
Alright.
See you, man.
See you, John. Thank you.
Nice, Nick Cousins, fresh threads. That's a 6 of 10. 6 of 10 fresh threads. Philadelphia Flyers. Not bad. It's out of 10. Well, this box was actually had a couple relics right here. So this box. You had 3 relics in here, including an autograph and the Noah Hannafin Exquisite. And here was the other box with a Robbie Fabry to number 75. There you go, Joe P. That was your 2-box personal break of ice hockey. Cup hockey is down to 9, guys. Let's try to get that done. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.